Hi guys, my name is Imogen. I'm a first year LSE student, and over the past few weeks, maybe even months now, I've been bringing you an accommodation series where we go and look around all of the LSE and intercollegiate halls of residence that some students stay at in London. So today we are back with the final part of that video, or final part of the series I should say. If you haven't seen parts 1 and part 2 of this series, definitely do go and check it out. And if you've been enjoying it so far, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Now today we have a nice little mix. We've got an intercollegiate self-catered halls in the name of garden halls, and we've also got Rosebury Hall, which is an LSE only hall for undergraduates, and that is actually catered. Without further ado, we're gonna hop straight into the first video. This is brought to you by Ellie. Now Ellie is actually a student vlogger for LSE. That means she creates content for the LSE YouTube channel, which is also really useful, so I'm gonna link that in the description box down below. She has actually created this video for them, which is why it has all the lovely LSE branding on it, and I would definitely recommend going to have a look at their channel, like the actual LSE channel this is, if you want more like accommodation stuff and just general like student life at LSE. Ellie pays £226 for her room at Rosebury. It is shared bathroom, shared kitchen, and it is a single room. Now at Rosebury you have the option of either having 31-week contracts, which means you have to move out during the holidays, or you can have a 39-week contract.
Hey guys, I'm Ellie. I'm a first year PBS student and welcome to Rosebury Hall. With about 300 students, Rosebury Hall is the second biggest undergraduate only hall at LSE, although master students are also allowed to move in if the rooms aren't fully booked by the summer. All the students are divided into two wings. First of all, we have Rosebury Wing. There are 9 floors with about 20 students sharing a kitchen, and their rooms are newly furbished. Then, if you go to the back, you arrive at Middleton Wing, where the facilities seem to be slightly older, but therefore the rooms are a little bit bigger and you share facilities with fewer people. This is a typical Middleton Wing room. We have carpet floors, a lot of storage space, and big windows. Here in Middleton, we share a kitchen with about 12 people and then one bathroom and shower room with about 3 other students, although this doesn't really apply this year because the hall isn't as full due to the pandemic. I really love the fact that our shower room is pink, and I definitely recommend bringing a bathrobe and flip-flops too. And here you can see a typical toilet. Also, there's a vacuum available on almost every floor here, so there's no need to bring one. Now I'm going to show you our kitchen, which was very sunny on the day I was filming, and through the windows here you kind of have an overview of what's going on downstairs, which is pretty cool. So our kitchen has a microwave, a stove, a water cooker, a toaster, but no dishwasher, and actually there's a lot of space in our fridge and in the freezer. Everyone also has the chance of storing their dishes in a cupboard, so there's no need to bring them to your room. The kitchen and bathrooms also get cleaned daily, but you definitely have to wash your dishes yourself. Alright, now I'm going to show you something really exciting. Middleton Wing actually has a super nice terrace that can obviously be used by everyone in the hall. And from here, I'm going to show you the different wings again. So this is Rosebury Wing, and then here, this U-shape is Middleton Wing, and then in the middle of the complex is the warden's house. So now we're going to take the elevator downstairs to the other common areas, and something funny about the elevator here is that when you arrive to the floor you wanted to go to, it still can take quite a bit for the doors to open, which is pretty funny when you say goodbye to someone but you have to awkwardly wait there for what feels like 10 seconds for the doors to open. Alright, now we're walking towards the exit of the hall and also towards the common room, which is the white building on the left. Unfortunately, it's currently closed, but I'm sure that we're going to have a lot of parties there in the future. There's a pool table, table tennis, a bar, a couch, and there's also a staircase down to the cafeteria. Now we're walking over the bridge towards the main part of the building, Rosebury Wing, and you can see the garden that I really appreciate. Let's go downstairs into the most important part of a catered hall, the cafeteria. The food here is really amazing and the people are very friendly, but I'm planning on doing a separate video for that. But as a short preview, there's a daily meat, fish, vegan and veggie option, and usually also halal and kosher, which you can sign up before you move in. Currently, we have to sit 2 meters away from each other, and dining times are set so that only households eat together. Also, catered means that we have dinner every night of the week except for on Saturday, where we have brunch. This is our computer room, which is really nice and also has a printer, and there's also a TV room that's unfortunately currently closed at the moment. In the basement area you can also go out to the garden, which I think looks so nice in the middle of Rosebury. Obviously, we also have a laundry room, which is operated by a separate company. Washing is like £280 and drying is £180, and it's quite expensive, but what can you do? Alright, now just some quick facts at the end. It takes about 19 minutes to reach campus via bus, which is like 10 minutes on the bus and then the rest walking. Or you can obviously also walk the whole way, which takes anywhere between 25 and 40 minutes, but I would calculate like 30 minutes the least just to be sure. The walk is really nice and easy, but sometimes it's also quite a relief to be able to hop on the bus and be home quicker. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
A massive thank you to Ellie for sending over that video. As I say, do go and check out the LSE YouTube channel. Otherwise, we are on to our final accommodation tour of the series. I'm aware there are a couple of halls that I haven't managed to get in this series, and that is just because producing this from home has been quite tricky, and I don't necessarily know students in every single different halls who are living there at the moment, and there are lots and lots of different practical reasons why I haven't managed to get them all. However, if you do have any questions about any of the halls that haven't been featured, then do leave me a comment in the comments bit down below, and I will get back to you with the answers. And if I can't answer your questions, then I'll get in touch with my friends and get you the answers you deserve. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump into the last one. This tour is brought to you by Aniska. Aniska is also in the geography department. She's also first year, but she does the environment and development programme.
Hi, I'm Aniska and I studied LSE and I live in Garden Halls. So I live in the self-catered accommodation and not in the catered accommodation part of Garden Halls, because Garden Halls is split into the main building and then the Hughes Parry Tower. And the main building, I think the rooms are a little bigger in there. The colour of the wall at the desk is green, but basically that's where all the catered people live. And then in the tower, the self-catered people share a flat with 16 other people, so we're 17 in total. And we share a kitchen and the showers basically. Every room does have their own little bathroom area, so you do have your own toilet and your own sink. And I pay, I think, £30 a night, so 210 a week. And my contract runs from the middle of September to the middle of June. Basically, in front of Garden Halls, you have this little tennis court area. It's very small, and I think there are 3 or 4 benches around. And I hope you enjoy a little tour of what it looks like here in the self-catered part of Garden Halls.
A massive thank you to Aniska and actually everybody who has been involved in this series and shared their room. If you have enjoyed this video and all of the series, then do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, because I'm sure I will be doing some more accommodation themed videos in the next few weeks. I hope you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you very, very soon with a new video. Bye!